Welcome to the guided tutorial on using the Yantari scent element device. An example video will be reproduced below regarding the steps to follow to correctly load the device with the fragrance. In the second part of the video, instructions on using the Yantari scent application and how to connect to the device will follow. Enjoy the video.
Second video part Yantari Scent app and device connection guide. Follow the instructions below. In this video, all passages will be showed step by step. Let's start by searching, downloading and opening Yantari Scent app on Google Play or Apple Store. Once you have downloaded and correctly opened the app, turn on Bluetooth setting on your electronic device and select the Bluetooth version button showed on app screen. Select the device showed in screen list, and when it's connected, you hear a signal sound. Please enter password 8888 and remember to flag the option below reporting Remember Password. Now you can tap on Login and enter on your device profile. Here you find General Settings. Start by Calibration option, tapping on the section and put the correct fragrance amount. If you fill the bottle entirely, the value is 1,000 milliliters. Go on with the period setting option that you find at the bottom of the app screen. Here you find all weekly, timing and customized options to set the device to your liking. You can choose the days in which your device has to work, tapping on the buttons referring to the days of the week. Then you can set the working hours of your device, choosing the timing program you prefer. There is a start working time and a stop working time. Lastly, you can choose the level of intensity for diffusing the fragrance, and you can costume the breaks time from device work. This option allows you to manually space out the device's working time. Now your device is ready to work. You don't need to handle any other options, and you can let it start spreading the fragrance. Thanks for watching the video, and we hope everything was simple and clear.